Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I received this question. Someone wants to know how to print from laptop to printer. The printer I'm using is Canon printer MG3650. This printer is multifunctional printer. I can print, copy, and scan with this printer. Now, my laptop is Acer Aspire 5, for instance. Okay, so to print from your laptop, what you need to do is, before you do this, you need to make sure your laptop and your printer both are connected to the same network. You need to go to File Explorer, select on it. When you select your File Explorer, depending on where you save the document is saved on the document file. So select document file. When you select document file, then you need to scroll down to select the specific document you want to print. And this is the document I want to print that got Vincent name on it. Select on it, double click it. So if you click it twice, it will open. Then you need to scroll down and check the document you want to print is the correct one. If you are happy with it, okay, the next thing to do is to print out this document, the file you want to print. You need to go on top. You will see printer image. You will also see save image. So select printer image, go on top, select printer image. When you select the printer image, then you need to look on your left side. You will see printer print will pop up for you to select the correct printer. Select so many other things. So first of all, we need to select the correct printer. My printer is Canon printer MG, so we need to scroll down to look for the printer, and this is the printer, Canon MG 3600 series. Select on it. So when you select on it, the next thing to do is you need to select copies. How many copies of the document you want to print out, like how many copies of this. So you can type how many copies, like 30 or 20, depending on how many copies you want. So you can use up and down arrow to select the number, up to increase it, down to decrease. Now once you've done the copies, the next is pages. So if you want to print all the pages, then you need to select all. If you want to print odd page only, odd pages like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, okay, then you select to print odd pages. If you want to print even pages, then you select even pages. Even pages are like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and etc. Now, if you want to print, maybe if you have so many documents, okay, maybe documents like with number 1 to 20 pages, and you want to print only specific page, maybe from 1 to 10 or 1 to 8. So you can select this, okay, the bottom ones to select on it. Then you type the pages you want to print 1 to 10. Okay, so you type 1 slash, okay, which is then put the number for you to be able to print page range you want to print. Then after that, the next is for you to select the color. So if you scroll down, you will see color on top of the color. Then you from the side, okay, scroll down to select black and white or color. Okay, so we select black and white. Then the next is print on both sides. Then you scroll down again to select whether you want to print on one side or print on both sides, or print on both sides, flip long or short flip. So we want to print this on both sides, flip long. Then the next thing is you can see more setting. If you select more setting, you scroll down again, it will for you to select paper size. So if you want to print A4, A5, B5 photo paper, then you need to select the size of paper you want to print. This paper we have here is A4, so we select A4, and the actual size is 100 A4. Then sheet, page per sheet is 1 page per sheet. And once you've done that, then you select print. So now this document is going to print out from this printer. And here we go, it's getting ready. Now it's going to go back inside in order to print the second page. Remember, we selected print on both sides. So printing on both sides will save you paper. So the good job about this printer is the printer is able to do this automatically. Some printer you need to will print the first one and ask you to turn the other side to print. So but we just need to wait for this. This is a document we printed out on both sides. We printed this document black and white and on both sides. Now another way, so our job now, one side is done. The second way to print out this document is for you to go to this printer is connected via Canon software. You can go to Image Garden, open up Image Garden, then you select print or print a photo. Once you select that, then you need to go to the side to select the document where you have it. From this PC, you can select this PC as well. Okay, if you have document from this PC, then you can also select desktop or document. Okay, when you select document, then the document you have on this PC will show up for you to be able to print it. Okay, so now these are the document I have on this PC. I'm just gonna open up this. Now this is the document I want us to print. Okay, to print out this document, what you need to do is you need to go on top and select file. You need to make sure the document is open. Go on top and select file. When you select file, the next thing you need to do is select print, and it will start to dialog. So it's getting ready. Now the next thing is you need to make sure you select the correct printer from the printer setting. Check and make sure the printer you have showing up on the printer setting is NG 3600 series. And then the next is you need to select the paper size, which is A4 paper. Paper source is from 3. Print range for you to select all or specific range of paper you want to print. Then if you want to print only one page, you can also select page 1 only. So just okay, so for us to print only one page, so I'm going to select page 1. Then the next is advanced setting for you to select the quality, standard, high standard, or draft, custom. Okay, then once you've done that, select print. Now this document is going to print out. This is a document we printed out using Canon Image Garden. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.